before এবারে etiquette নিয়ে কথা বলবো. So before starting this class, I want to talk about some etiquettes, class etiquettes. So first of all, I want to know from you, what is etiquette? Do you have any idea the meaning of these words? What is etiquette? Etiquette means that your manner, that how do you behave in certain situation. So in a classroom, we must have some good manners, some good etiquettes. Without, maybe you will able to learn English, you can speak in English, but without etiquette, that is all useless. So today, in today's class, before starting this our session, I was just trying to tell you some etiquettes. Okay, so here are some list of etiquettes. So first etiquette is that whenever you are entering into the class, you have to ask permission. That we all know, but most of us do not follow that. It's not because they said elam chole gelam. You have to build that etiquette. Otherwise, whenever you will go into any serious situation, you will miss that opportunity. So the first sentence that you can see, ask for permission before entering or leaving the class. It shows that how much respectful you are to your seniors, to your teacher, to your boss, whoever is senior authority in front of you. Okay, this is number one etiquette that you have to follow. Number two, keep your phone on silent and switch it off during class. That we don't do. The biggest wrong etiquette that we have, instantly we even take calls. We receive calls. Some of you actually ask permission, said, should I take this call? May I take this call? Some of you do not even ask anything, do not even take permission, and that is very bad. You will be insulted in future if you do that in any professional environment. Okay, so always keep your phone silent or switch off at least. Okay, next, do not receive or make phone calls without permission. That is the same thing that I mentioned, that if you want to make any emergency call, you have to ask for permission, and then you can start doing your or keep making your call. Then number 4, always wear your ID card inside the class. Okay, that as you can see that, so each and everyone has ID card, but few of them I can see wearing that. That mistake you cannot do. In class, whenever you are entering, before entering, always remember that you wear your ID card properly. Okay, that's etiquette number 4. And we have etiquette number 5. Listen carefully when someone is speaking. This one particular etiquette really, I observed that it's missing in most of my students' character. If a student is speaking, all of a sudden I would see that other people are speaking with each other. We are not actually listening each other. And how can you improve if you do not listen other? You are busy that what I'm gonna say next. What maybe somebody is speaking, Sad is talking to someone. Let say something. So you are doing it very wrong. Okay, so don't do this. If someone is speaking, your duty is to listen to that person what he is saying. Okay, so that will become interactive. As I always said that our class has to be interactive, like a group discussion. It's not like an individual class. Hey, তোমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করেছি দুয়ের নামটা বলো, তুমি দুয়ের বলবে, ও চারের বলবে. Not like that. It's not a school environment that every student needs to just fulfill his own responsibility. It is an interactive class. Each and everyone has to listen, everyone, and so that we can learn from each other. Okay, that is number 4 or 5, whatever is this. Okay, let's get back to the another point. Yes, do not interrupt others while they are talking. Do not interrupt. If somebody is speaking something, no, sir, I will speak. Sir, I will speak. No, don't do this. This is very bad. If somebody is speaking, let him finish what he wants to say. After finishing, you could say, sir, I would like to say something. Say, I would like to say something, or say, sir, may I say something? Ask for permission, or I say, I would like to say something. This is the formality that you have to maintain. You should not, I will say. Not like this. Okay? Maintain, number 7, maintain eye contact with your teacher when you are speaking. Always maintain eye contact. Few of you do not maintain the eye contact, and that is very bad. It is not acceptable in a professional environment. If, for example, your boss is here standing in front of you and he is talking to you and you are looking at the ground, what will happen? It's very bad. Okay, so always try to maintain the eye contact. This is not comfortable situation. Whenever you are feeling shy and you are feeling uncomfortable to looking at your eyes, but you have to make it your habit. You have to make it simple and easy for everyone. That okay, this is common. I have to maintain the eye contact. There is nothing wrong with maintaining eye contact. Okay. Number 8, we have completed. Yes. Speak politely with your classmates and teachers. I have nothing to say about this. You all speak politely. I know that. Avoid using your phone or chatting during lessons. Always maintain that. Do not use your phone. Don't even touch your phone. Just forget about your phones when you enter the class. That is something. The moment you will touch your phone, your mind will be diverted. Your mind will be, diverted to other activities. So don't even touch your phone. Whatever important thing you have on your phone, you have nothing important. Just you are trying to put that. Said I have something to do important. No. If you are in the class, it is important. Sir, somebody has called me. My friend called me. Do you think it is more important? What is more important? This class is more important than your friend who is calling you, who is waiting for you, who is doing anything. So that's why always keep your phone aside. Do not use in your class. Okay, sit properly and maintain a good posture. That I always say that. If you are sitting, you are actually like sleeping. This is not the right thing. Okay, you have to maintain a good posture. Your hand has to be on the table. So always maintain a good posture when you are sitting. It's not also a good posture. Okay, so maintain a good posture in the class and everywhere wherever you sit. Next, let me come to class on time. Punctuality shows respect. So if you are serious about this class, you will definitely come in the class on time. Otherwise, what will happen? We will start our class at 5 p.m. and you are coming at 5:30. That shows that you do not care about the class. You have something much more important at your home, and what is that? Maybe you are sleeping, and you think sleeping is more important than the class. So that shows that you are not serious about the class. So don't do this. Be punctual. Keep your class materials ready and notebook pen. It's a simple thing. Respect everyone's opinion and never laugh at others' mistakes. So this is something. If anyone said something, do not laugh at his opinion or at his anything. Always respect. Always say, okay, I understand your point, but I have a different opinion. Okay, I could understand what you're trying to say, but I believe something in different. So that kind of words, sentence you have to use whenever you are disagreeing with anyone. You cannot say you are wrong. You are silly. You don't know anything. This kind of insulting tone you cannot use in this class. Whether it is debate, whether it's a normal conversation, you cannot use that. Okay. Respect everyone. Number 14. Use sorry, thank you, and excuse me often. Okay. Always try to say that sorry. Excuse me. If you want to interrupt anyone, if you want to interrupt your teacher, said excuse me, I want to say something. I would like to say something. Okay, so always use this type of term. So for example, if you want to, you cannot come to the next class. Try to start your sentence with sorry. Sorry, sir, I cannot attend to this class. It looks much more formal and much more polite. I can't attend class. I cannot go to class. It looks more aggressive, more arrogant you are. So don't do this. Always say sorry. Sorry, for example, I told you, where is your ID card? And you just, take your ID card and start wearing. So you have to mention, sorry sir, I forget. Let me wear my ID card. Okay, so this is how simple words that you can use, and that will looks you more formal. Okay, so that's the thing. Number 14 and number 14. It's a number. Follow your teacher. Number 16. Number 17. Keep your classroom neat and clean. I don't have anything to say about that. Always greet your teacher when entering or leaving. Forget about entering. I am saying always greet your teacher whenever you meet your teacher. Let's, for example, I am coming from other side and you are waiting. You are waiting outside for me, and I just came and you said nothing. You just come behind me and you start entering the class. This is very rude. When you see your teacher, at least say according to the time, good evening, good morning, good night, not night actually. Okay, whatever the timing is, you have to greet your teacher, so that it shows the respect that you are giving to your teacher. Okay, try to maintain that. Always greet your teacher whenever you see your teacher. It's not like, say, I'm a lajja pai. Now, so here you are here to become educated person, not like a bhoot. So if you want to become educated person, why you always carry those kind of personality with yourself? Try to be a formal person. Try to be an educated person. That how educated person actually behaves. Okay. Greet your teacher. Okay, number 19, help your classmate when they need support. That is that you should support, you should give them কি বলবো, suggestion or whatever they want. And remember, respect, discipline make you a true learner. So that is the main thing. If you respect each person in your class, whether he is your classmate, whether he is your teacher, whether anyone, then you could learn a lot of things. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be a lot of argument, lot of aggressiveness you will show to each other, and the entire class environment will be destroyed. So don't do that. So these are the 20 etiquettes that we have to follow in our class. Not only in our class, wherever you go, you can follow these etiquettes. This is called etiquettes, and it will be very much beneficial for us to maintain the discipline and everything.